Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. So glad you're here, and if you are new, my name is Teresa. Today's video is going to be all about paper bag snowflakes, and these are the big rage right now. They're all over Pinterest and they're all over Instagram, and I had to make some. So of course I'm not really showing you how to make them because, you know, like I say, everybody's making them right now. I'm going to show you some different ways that we can embellish them and things that you can do with them after you make them. And if you want a fun project to do with the family, this is it. Like I say, they're so quick and easy to make, and they're pretty addictive. We made several on Sunday after church, and we had such a good time with them. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you're not already following me on my home decor Facebook page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. First, you want to start out with 8 lunch sacks. In some of the videos I saw, some used 9, but I used 8. So you just basically want to put some glue across the bottom and down the center, and then you just want to start stacking them on top of each other.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Now once you get them stacked together, then you're going to want to cut a point. And this is the best way that I found to make the point, to kind of where it'll, you know, meet up together. I just kind of folded my paper and made a little pattern, and then I'm going to cut across those creases. Next, you're going to cut your diagonals on the side. Now, I just did 1, but you can do, you know, 2 or 3 on the side, just depending on how much of a design you want on your snowflake. And you basically just want to, like I say, cut in a V, and then you just want to make sure, you know, they're even on both sides. And once you have your snowflake cut out, then we're going to apply some glue, and then we're going to pull it around, and we're going to secure it. Now I'm going to show you how I made a smaller one. You just cut a little bit off the top of the bag, and then you do the same thing. I just cut the top into a point, and then I cut the diagonals on the side. Now if you're working with 8 layers of paper sacks, it does get hard to cut through. So if you want to kind of make it easier on yourself, and maybe you don't have sharp enough scissors, you can also do it this way. You know, cut out one and then just lay your, you know, your bottom sack down on it and use the top one as a pattern, and you can cut it that way, and that way it may cut down a little bit. We tried it with stacking 4, and we cut out the design, and then we stacked 4 more sacks on it, and that worked well too. That was a lot easier. Ben did the one in the back. He did 3 diagonals on his, so he got real fancy with it. This was like a little family day project. They were so easy to make and so much fun, and he's going to show you how he went out and spray painted his. We wanted to try it out and just see, you know, how well they would do if we painted it. So you can also go out, you know, and put a light you know, coat of spray paint on it and spray paint them any color you want. Or if you have white sacks, paper bags, and I know they make them, I just didn't have any on hand. You know, you could use white sacks and make some white ones, and I think they'd be gorgeous. So basically I'm just going to show you some different ways you can embellish them and just kind of add to them. If you're liking this video so far, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel. And also, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love for you to join our YouTube family.
I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
I want to show you on one how I embellished it. I had this that I got it Tuesday morning a few years ago, and it's basically a clip that you pull curtains back with. I only have one of them, but I unscrewed the little clip off the back, and I'm going to embellish one of my snowflakes with it. And then the one in the front, that is the stained coffee filters, and I have a video on how to make those little coffee filter rosettes, and I'll leave a link to it down below.
Something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
Okay, y'all, that's going to wrap up today's video. It's a short one, but I hopefully got another one coming out in a day or two. I said I wasn't going to do any more Christmas videos because Christmas is almost here, but I've been making Christmas projects still. I guess instead of baking, I've been doing DIY. So anyway, I wanted to share them with y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed seeing the little snowflakes that we made, because we sure had a lot of fun making them, and I hope y'all will make some too. Until the next video, y'all, I hope you have a great week, and want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.